Akiaria hindi ya kuhingura thito ya kuiga mirigo ya kambuni ya ALP mwena wa Limuru, Minista wa wanjoria Moses Kuria augite gutire kindu kana mundu ukugiririria kuninwo kwa biacara ya mitumba thengia ya andu gukorwo magiukirira ndeto ino.
I want to see a Kenya whereby every Kenyan can afford decent new clothes. Yeah? Here in Limuru, Engineer Kirago, even in Misri, and farmers and Karanji, I want to see those people wearing clothes made here in Limuru that are affordable.
Kuringana na Kuria, mubango uyu utanyitwo kuhura njeki na kugacirithia iganda cia guku bururi-ini na guthondeka mieke ya mawira, na thirikari igutigirira nguo iria irathondekwo gutekumakania ni wa kirathi kiriku.
Nobody wears mitumba because they want to wear mitumba. One, because they don't have enough disposable income. Two, because they don't have an alternative. And three, because they don't have jobs. Even the people who are telling me about mitumba, they don't even know where Gikomba is. If you tell them Gikomba, they'll go to Google to find out where Gikomba is.
Ningi nieranire kurutithania wira na mabururi maria mangi ari hamwe na bururi wa UK niguo kugacirithia wanjoria. Ubarothi wa bururi wa Ngeretha ukiuga ngwataniro ya Kenya na Ngeretha ni gacirithitie wanjoria na njira nene.
We want to open up the African market so that we can have complementarity with our traditional markets in Europe, US, in Asia and other countries.
UK is the largest cumulative investor in Kenya, 385 billion worth of investment, about 220 firms. If you want to join the British Chamber of Commerce, talk to Farida.
Na niguo gukinyaniria maundu maya, Kuria nieranire gwakwo gwa kiharo kia ndege cia mirigo mugunda-ini wa kiganda gia thitima kia East Africa Cement mwena wa Athi Farm.
You know, in my other life I was a politician. So I have finished the era of speaking and preaching and all that. But musinichezee tafadhali, mimi ni yule yule.
Kuria ugite kibarua giake kinene ni kugacirithia wanjoria guku bururi-ini na guthondeka thoko cia indo iria ithondekagirwo kana gukuririo guku bururi-ini. Kameme TV ngithie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu njitagwo Wanjiku.